After using Openshot for a couple of months, I've found that there's a few techniques that can be used to give some really effective editing effects, such as you can do a triple inverted zoom by stepping back from the camera and then zooming in with your editing program. You can do like a hyperlapse type thing by coming out of focus from something, drawing the camera back, slowing down and then zooming back in. You can do glitches with your colour shift, and you can also do like a sort of slow motion overlay. I've got some footage that I've tried to record on the computer of these, so what I'll do is I'll link them up and we'll talk through it. So, triple inverted zoom. Then what you need to be doing is, if you can't zoom in on the camera, like I can't because I record on my own, I step back and then I change the scale of the video so that then it gives a distortion on the size of the background in perspective to your subject. After that, we have got the like a hyperlapse zoom, and very much like a music video type thing. You start off in the background and then draw it past the subject into the foreground, slow it down, and then you cut the footage as that you can then speed up to a certain point, slow down on the focal point, and then speed up to get to the next point, and then slow down on your next focal point. This can be quite effective, like I said, for product photography or for music videos. And then if you want to do like a glitch effect, what I do is I copy the original file, put it in a track above it, find the piece that you want to do the glitch on. I will then do a colour shift, so drag your colour shift icon across, and then you change each of the colours to like 0.5, and this will give you a slight distortion. Then you need to cut which point you want glitched. So I did a split second just before and after it went into focus, and that was good enough for my little glitch effect. Finally, we have then got the overlay effect, and for the overlay time lapse, what I've done is, once again, we copy the original file and then you drop that in the track above. Go to time, and then you go to half speed, which then makes it twice as long. You cut a little snip out of the center and then start the beginning at the beginning and move the end to the end. Hopefully this ties up the footage and makes it look abstract and sort of distorted. Once again, sort of music video type stuff going on. And yeah, hopefully these look effective and you can use them in different applications to make your footage look better. Anyway, thank you very much for the support. Hope you have a good day. Peace.